Many times Guru Maharaj would tell devotees, he said, okay, like one devotee, he was having so many problems, it's in the Lilamrita. So he said, okay, stop everything you're doing, you come to Mayapur, you chant 64 rounds a day. He told him. And then he sent a message. He says, so-and-so, I've given the order for him to come to Mayapur and chant 64 rounds a day. And he don't ask him to do anything else. He'll eat and sleep and chant 64 rounds. And so he did that for 1 month. And then he got really excited, really charged up. And then he went back and did his service, and he was cured. He was healed. He realized his existential position as God's eternal servant, and he was properly engaged again. Because we can become covered and uncovered in any moment. We can become in the light, and then we can be in the darkness. This is the nature of this world. This world is a dvandva. Dvandva means duality. There is pleasure, pain, happiness, and distress, success and failure, day and night, realization and illusion. So we face these dualities in this world while we're struggling. And when we become self-realized, then we live in the light. It's called enlightenment. And then when we leave this world, we enter the eternal world of light, enlightenment. And then we never take birth again. Punarjanana vidyate. Janma karma chame divyam evam yovati tatvata tyaktva deham punar janma naiti mamati sarjana. Krishna tells Arjuna in Gita 4:9, chapter 4, verse 9, that one who understands me, he never comes back. Punarjanma na navidyate. He doesn't see another birth in this world. He enters the spiritual world for eternal life of joy and the service of the Lord.